Ever had days where you just don't feel like moving? Even though you know you should. You're not alone. But here's what most women never realize. There really is a deeper reason this keeps happening. You know, today, most women think that the problem is low energy, no discipline, not enough time, stress, work, family, all the things we deal with every day, right? But here's what I've seen over the last many years. You can have more time. You can have more energy. You can even have a good plan and still not follow through. That's the frustrating part. It's not that you don't care. It's not that you don't know what to do. And it's that something deeper is missing. You know, you may have lost your connection to your why, your reason, that thing that makes it all matter. And when that's not clear, everything truly feels harder. Even the simple things. This has been what I've experienced in my life, and maybe you have too. Hi, I'm Wendy. I help women rebuild strength, vitality, and independence so the second half of life becomes strong, capable, and fully lived. Because strength protects your independence, and that's really important. We ask you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel because it really does help others see our content. And we do appreciate it, and we want to thank you for being here. So today we want to talk about how we get caught in the numbers, steps, calories, workouts, sleep, the scale. And for a while, that can work. But over time, something starts to feel off. You're doing the things, but it feels empty. Like you're just going through the motions. Have you ever felt that way? And when that happens, your energy drops. Your body feels heavier. Your thinking gets foggy. Not all at once, just slowly, quietly. And it's easy to think, this is just aging. But in my experience, it's often something else. You know, you may have lost your reason to show up. And that can be a frustrating thing. Because, you know, there were seasons in my life when I had no energy, no drive. Everything felt heavy. Even the simplest things felt like effort. And frankly, motivation wasn't even there. It wasn't even close. So I stopped trying to feel ready. And I began to ask myself one simple question. Why does this matter right now? Not forever, just today. And you know, that changed everything. When motivation fades, your purpose is what carries you. Not your discipline, not your willpower. It's your reason. That's what makes you show up. Truly. This week, let's try to keep this simple. Before your next walk, before your next workout, take a pause, just for a moment, and ask yourself, why am I doing this today? Write down one sentence. That's all you need. Then make it personal. It's not something you should do. It's actually what matters to you. And from there, choose one action. A walk, a workout, a nourishing real food meal, or maybe it's rest. And do that with purpose. So let's ask this today. What's your real reason for taking care of yourself right now? Share that in the comments. I'd love to hear, and I do read every comment. And if you feel like you lost your connection to your purpose, your why, this is your moment to reconnect. Start here. I created a simple 5-step competence habit framework to help you take clear, consistent action with small daily habits that build strength and trust in your body again. You will find the link below. And you know, this isn't about putting pressure on yourself. It's not about perfection. It's just this, small steps, done with purpose, change everything. Because truly, capability is the destination. If you're ready to take this deeper, I invite you to watch my video where I share how I was nearly 300 pounds and how I rebuilt my strength after 50. And I used the 5 practices that changed everything for me. And that it'll be a card somewhere on this screen. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here.